हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज शेख नमान। आप देख रहे हैं स्टार न्यूज़ एक्सप्रेस।
Afternoon, friends. You're watching Star News Express, and this is your friend Mustafa Zarar. Dear friends, it's my pleasure to be with Mr. Dinesh Chaudhary, the social media convener of TRS Party. So he's with us. We're going to ask him a few questions. Now, at the same time, he has attended the facilitation program by the Deccan Blasters at Shamshabad Parivar Dhaba. Now, apart from that, as we all know, that TRS has done a reasonably good job when it's come to providing this service to the COVID. So we will ask him about that, and at the same time, what are the other programs they have to provide the service for the COVIDs. So very good afternoon, sir. Hope you are doing good.
Good afternoon.
So maybe what are the other programs you have to provide the services to the COVID patients?
See, already Telangana has done a tremendous job in controlling the COVID pandemic. You can see the statistics. Corona has impacted India in a big way, but even then, Telangana managed to sustain its growth. Recently released Niti Aayog figures also indicate that Telangana is the fastest growing in innovative index. Even Hyderabad has emerged as the number one city in aerospace's cost effectiveness. So regarding these things, and even you can see major real estate associates like Franklin, JL, Mercer, they have also given that Hyderabad real estate has not been dampened by the COVID. All these are the result of the robust health economy system of Telangana. Telangana has increased its share of medical infrastructure exponentially. Prior to the formation of Telangana, the total number of ICU beds in Telangana were something around 3 to 4,000. Today, we have increased it to 18,000. And even the total number of beds in Telangana to combat this COVID, it has been increased to 54,000. And also, even during these, oxygen shortage times also, Telangana has managed to avert any major disaster situations. You have seen Karnataka struggle for oxygen, you have seen Delhi struggle for oxygen, you have seen Maharashtra struggle for oxygen. But Telangana managed to cope up on its own. So these are the things Telangana has been anticipating, and we have been reviewing it constantly, and we have served the people. Also, our Chief Minister has a magnanimous view on how to treat the people. For migrant laborers, whereas other states, they were treating them as a, calamity on them, KCR Garu has termed them as development partners of Telangana. He has given them 1,500 rupees and free food also. Throughout the COVID first wave and second wave, the number of Annapurna canteens where you can get meal for 5 rupees, the meals have been provided freely to all the daily migrant laborers also. So all these things, they have definitely helped the people, and we have been doing the sanitization regularly. Our DRF has covered the entire Hyderabad city 2 to 3 times during this pandemic, spraying the disinfectant. So all these things have definitely helped us in combating COVID.
So for sure, we appreciate the work which has done by the Telangana Chief Minister, Mr. KCR, sir. Now, there was a huge loot, by a few corporates. So what are the steps has been taken to curb those, hospitals?
We have already issued notices to those hospitals, and even after they not amending their ways, we have cancelled the license of server. But unfortunately, the High Court has given the order that reinstate their licenses, but penalize them. So we have already penalized them, and we have issued directions. We have appointed nodal officers in the hospitals so that they do not charge exorbitant charges from the patients.
So, a few words about this facilitation program today, and any special message to our viewers. Please, should be in English and Telugu.
Surely, this is a very great program where we have felicitated pharmacists who have helped the people in combating the COVID. Because during these COVID pandemic times, people were hesitant to even talk to others. But these people, they have braved those conditions, and they were very, instrumental in providing medicines to the people. And also, they have, coped up with uneven hours also. because during these pandemic times, lots of emergencies were coming up at odd hours, like midnight and early mornings. But these people, they were there to help the people. And now coming to speaking in Telugu, వీళ్ళు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఈరోజు ఈ కోవిడ్ సమయంలో ఒకరినొకరు చూడడానికి పలకరించడానికి కూడా భయపడే సమయంలో వీరందరూ కూడా ఎటువంటి భయం లేకుండా లేకపోతే సంకోచం లేకుండా వచ్చిన ప్రతి రోగికి కానీ ప్రతి పేషెంట్కి కానీ వారికి సమయంలో అందాల్సిన మందులన్నీ అందించి సేవ చేసిన వాళ్ళు వారందరికీ ఈరోజు ఈ సన్మాన కార్యక్రమం చేయడం నిజంగా మా అందరికీ లభించిన ఒక గొప్ప అవకాశము, ఒక సౌలభ్యంగా మేమందరం కూడా భావిస్తూ ఇటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలు భవిష్యత్తులో మరిన్ని జరగాలని, అటువంటి వాటికి ఎటువంటి సహకారం కావాలని తప్పకుండా మేము అందజేస్తామని తెలియజేస్తాం.
So thank you so much for giving your time to Star News Express. Thank you so much once again. Have a great day, sir. Bye-bye.